Hi, this is Ashley with Elite Credit Solutions. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with?
Jason.
Hey there. Thanks for calling Elite Credit Solutions. What can I help you with regarding your credit?
So I saw on your guys' website that you had some solutions for credit. I just wanted to learn a little bit more about your service offerings.
Yeah, for sure, Jason. We've got a bunch of ways to help you out. Can you tell me a bit about what's going on with your credit? Like, are you looking to fix some issues or just trying to boost your score?
I'm trying to boost my score. There's a couple of things I'm trying to get approvals for, like purchasing my first home and things like that. So I just want to know some solutions you guys had or what you guys offered that could help boost my score higher.
Gotcha there, Jason. Buying a home is a big deal, and a better score can definitely help with that. So to boost your score, we'll need to look at a few key areas like your payment history, credit usage, and stuff like that. We can totally help with that through our fast credit consultation services. We've got 3 main packages. First up is a starter repair kit, which includes a deep dive into your credit reports, disputing any errors, and advice on managing your current accounts. Then there's the credit builder package, where we add on setting up payment reminders and personalized tips on improving your credit mix. Lastly, the Score Surge package is the whole shebang. It's got everything from the first 2 packages plus strategies for lowering your credit utilization and a plan for future credit moves to keep your score climbing. Monitoring your credit is super important too. It helps you catch any mistakes, see the progress you're making, and watch out for identity theft. How does that sound? Want to set up an appointment with one of our specialists to get into the nitty-gritty?
It sounds good, but I definitely have a few more questions before scheduling an appointment.
Totally, Jason. Fire away with your questions. What do you need to know?
How long does the overview take or the analysis take, and how quickly would it take to actually help boost my score?
Yeah, I feel that. So the initial overview, where we go through your credit report and pinpoint areas to work on, that usually takes about an hour. As for boosting your score, it can vary, Some folks see changes pretty quick, like in a month or 2, especially if there are errors we can fix right away. But for others, it's more of a steady climb, taking several months to really see that score go up. It all depends on your specific situation and how we tackle it. Does that clear things up a bit?
Yeah, that helps. How much do these packages cost?
All right, cool. So the starter repair kit is our most basic one, and that's going to run you $99. The credit builders package steps it up a bit, and that's priced at $199. Now, the Score Surges package, that's our top tier service, and it's $299. Each package is a one-time fee, and we work with you to make sure you're getting the value out of it. Which one's sounding like it might fit what you're looking for?
Oh, that sounds really good, actually. The highest tiered package, the $299, you said that comes with the credit building process or the whole mapping process, right? So going back to the aspect that I want to purchase a home, do you guys help with the pre-qualifying process and making sure I'm on track for the pre-approvals and whatnot?
Yeah, for sure, Jason. The Score Surge package is all about giving you the full works. We'll help you with strategies to keep your credit utilization low and give you a solid plan for your credit moves going forward. And when it comes to buying a home, we can definitely guide you through the steps to make sure you're looking good for pre-qualification and pre-approval. We'll work with you to get your credit in the best shape for those mortgage lenders. Sound like something that could work for you?
Yeah, absolutely. That actually sounds pretty good.
Awesome. Glad to hear it. So let's get you set up with an appointment. We can do any day in the next week. What works best for you, Jason? Morning, afternoon, evening? Just throw out a time and we'll make it happen.
Afternoons work best, actually.
Cool. Afternoons it is. How about we aim for this coming Wednesday or Thursday? Say around 2 or 3 p.m.? Does that fit into your schedule?
Yeah, Wednesday at 2 p.m. works great.
Perfect, Jason. You're all set for Wednesday at 2 p.m. We'll dive into your credit and get you on the path to that home purchase. Thank you for considering Elite Credit Solutions. We're committed to helping you achieve your credit goals. Looking forward to our appointment. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.